Need to draw, mark up, or add a quick visual note to a PDF? With PDF Editor Studio, you can draw directly onto your document from inside your browser. Open your PDF, then select Draw from the Tools panel. Choose your line color and thickness, then use your mouse or trackpad to draw directly onto the page. It's ideal for circling important details, adding handwritten notes, creating quick sketches, or visually marking up a document for review. Once your drawing is added, you can change its color, move it into position, resize it, or rotate it wherever needed. In this example, we've created a drawing, changed its color, and repositioned it on the PDF. When you're finished, click Export to download your updated document. Draw and annotate PDFs quickly and easily with PDF Editor Studio. Click the link in the description to download PDF Editor Studio from the Chrome Web Store and subscribe for more quick PDF tips.